I've actually been working at Domino's for over 6 years.
I've been working at Domino's a little over 3 years.
I've been working at Domino's for 4 years collectively. I did 2 years seasonal and then went full-time for 2 years.
I've been working for Domino's for 16 years.
What I love about being a general manager at Domino's is getting to train people, meeting new people, showing the youth that you can actually make a great career over here making pizza at Domino's.
What I love most about being a driver is that it is easy money, it's fast money, and the hours are super flexible in our company.
Hey, welcome to work! Welcome to work!
What's up,
Welcome to
man?
work!
Being promoted to general manager at 17 years old.
Is achieving the Rolex challenge. You hit certain marks and certain achievements, you can get yourself one.
We had a repeat customer who over time got to know my name and everything about me, and on my birthday I delivered to them and they gave me a birthday present with $100 in it.
I met my husband that I've been with for 7 years now.
Definitely the chicken taco pizza. I think with the taco seasoning and the American cheese and everything blended together makes it taste like a taco, which I love tacos, so it's awesome.
Handmade pan pizza, which customers call it a black box pizza. But my favorite toppings on the pizza is pepperoni and feta. And I really like that pizza because it's really fluffy.
In fact, I already have. I've brought my mom on as well as my brother. Just the whole Domino's family being together, it's just something that everybody wants to be a part of.
Matter of fact, my little brother used to be my assistant manager and he's a general manager now. And the reason why is because we're all family, all have the same common goal here at Domino's.
Is making memories with my team members and taking care of my customers.
I actually oversee 8 stores in my area, so I'll start my day very early. I'll go visit each and every store. I get to work with a lot of individuals in the store, training them, coaching them, and just being able to meet a bunch of different people, also engaging with customers.
I clock in, I greet all my team members, see if there's anything I can do to help out, and then I put my car topper on and I'm out making deliveries, delivering a great experience to each of our customers. Hey, how you doing, sir? Got 2 hot, fresh pizzas ready for you. There's that right there, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for choosing Domino's. We'll see ya.
My name is Lee. I am Domino South Cooper.